Okay, Thomas, a firecracker. He's about to hit a rocket. You're not supposed to put none.
You gotta pop your big stuff, cuz. Watch out, Daddy.
What is that?
Oh!
How many fireworks do you got? You got one of those firecrackers? Alright. I'm recording.
What is that, sis?
This nigga always throwing.
What? Sis? You right.
Let's light it.
Hold this, Daddy.
Okay.
Never mind. Let it go. I'm gonna hand it back to you. Watch out, nephew. Don't you like that damn thing?
You show.
Don't you not light it right here. I'll kill you. Oh my god, get back. Get back.
Sydney, you throw something else out there. Like this.
Mike, what? It's not gonna light with things. You gotta use a lighter.
Okay. Sorry.
Hey, Tom, you got more firecracker. Hey, Tom, you got more firecracker.
Watch out.
Ah, there you got Bob.
Who are you?
Kendall.
Hey, bro, you got one more.
Kendall.
Try and get
What? Nah, that's too fast. I'm not popping this by itself.
Oh. Yeah, these are firecrackers. Tomorrow's lighting some Vietnam War.
Keep these tonight. I'm just throwing them.
I'm just going.
Watch out.
I be tired of them.
Hey, tomorrow I'm recording, dude.
What are these?
You like the other one with it?
West County, I think.
They be having them still. I got. That's why I got this one. I don't like them.
Yeah, they may be thinking that they might explode. You know what they
I
think?
remember I said somebody grass on fire going in my finger.
I remember we was younger, bro. I almost put a firecracker in AJ's shoe. I don't know, blow that boy ankle off.
Gay.
Boy, you cracked it.